Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this live photo or photo animation filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. Okay, you just have to select the effect and focus it on a picture. That's right. Okay, focus it on a picture. Okay, and your photo is live. So this is the effect. To get this effect on Instagram, visit the creator profile. Helena is the creator of this effect. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your Instagram camera tray. She is having some awesome filter. Okay, so check in our filter gallery. This is the filter, live photo. Tap on it. Okay, and you will see this preview. From here, you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.